Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Asko brand washing machine and it's giving you an E2 error and you're wondering what is this error and how can I get rid of it so that my washing machine is working again. So the E2 error is a door lock error. So when you close the door, it locks and then it decides that it can run its cycle. And if it doesn't sense that it can lock properly, it will give you this error. So what you need to do to get rid of the error is to make sure that the door is closed properly. So you might have closed it, but you didn't really close it hard enough, so you don't want to slam it, but you want to close it snugly so that the lock can engage. Also, you want to make sure, sometimes when you put the clothes in it, and then you close the door, some clothing flops out, and it blocks the door from closing properly, and then the lock can't engage properly. And then the last thing I would check is the lock mechanism itself. So inside the lock mechanism, sometimes debris or lint and stuff like that can get in there and it can prevent the door lock from latching properly. It won't lock properly and you'll get this error. By the same token, you can actually look in there and might see something that's broken inside. If it's none of those things, then you might end up having some kind of wiring issue behind it, or you might just need to replace the door lock mechanism or something like that. But anyways, hope this video helped you figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.